People ask me all the time, Chris, how do I just make a little extra money? How do I make an extra $500? How do I just get that raise? It'll solve all my financial problems. And it's actually, I hate that conversation. It's the last conversation that I want to have, because after paying off $43,000 worth of debt in just 13 months and building up a net worth of over $800,000 now, I've learned that raises and side hustle money doesn't create financial freedom. They reveal it. Now, let me explain, because let's imagine two parents get a raise, a $20,000 raise. So parent A, they already have a money system. The extra money goes towards debt, investing, saving a little money, their future, their kids' future, right? And parent B has no system, but they upgrade maybe a nicer car, they splurge on restaurants more, they have bigger vacations because they see more money in their bank account every single, paycheck, month, whatever. And 2 years later, both raises are gone, because both parents have utilized them. The same income increase happened, right? So we both got the same raise, but completely different outcomes. Parent A is crushing it, they're building wealth, and parent B still feels stuck on a higher salary and they don't know what the hell is going on. So drop a comment. Which one are you? Are you parent A, you're putting that extra money towards those financial goals, or are you parent B, where you're like, yeah, what's going on here? I'm making extra money. I don't know where it's all going. I don't know why I'm not, making forward progress with any of this. Guys, real quick, I've opened up some spots in my Wealthy Parent program for busy families looking to get more clarity in their finances, find extra money each month without making more, so that they're able to put more of their hardworking money towards their financial goals and just feel like they're winning with their money. If that sounds interesting, any of that, there's a link below this video to book a call directly with me, and we could start your path to becoming a wealthy parent. I'll see you there. And this is why I have all my parents in the Wealthy Parent program go through the 4 stages of money, because most people, what we're talking about now is like getting the raise. We want to jump to acceleration. It's like, if only I could make the extra few $100 a month. If only I had that raise or that side hustle working, I would be crushing it, right? We all want to be this person on the penthouse suite in the balcony with our pina colada looking into the distance, into a beautiful sunset, right? But at the end of the day, the 4 stages of money are awareness, action, accountability, and then acceleration. Like, most people don't even know where their money is going. And that's the awareness part. And that's the most frustrating thing. It's like, how can we try to accelerate something that we have no idea what's even going on? Imagine going in a car and like you're revving on the gas, like, what the hell is going on here? You look, it's like, oh, there's no tires, there's no engine. Of course I can't go anywhere. Of course I can't accelerate. And for me personally, one of the best feelings that my wife and I experienced going on this journey wasn't when we made more money. We thought the same thing too. This is why I make these videos, because I am speaking to my older self, like, you moron. Because when we paid off $43,000 worth of debt in 13 months, we didn't make more money. We didn't increase our income. That's not how we were able to do it. It's by going through the proven process, again, that I'm currently walking people through in my Wealthy Parent program, to go from where you are to where you want to go. And it's basically a 3-step process inside of the 4 stages of money. So there's different layers of the onion here. And the 3-step process is a 3-month look back. So you look at 90 days of where your money's been going. Then the North Star goals is step number 2. You write down a list of things that matter to you the most. And then the step 3 is comparing both of those and seeing where your money has been going, where would you like it to start going, and then shifting priorities and money around. And that's how we were able to pay off $43,000 in 13 months without increasing our income. It's possible. It's possible. Even when you have kids, right? Kids can be really challenging to make all this work, right? I've got 2 kids under 5 myself right now, and it's tough. It's tough, right? But the truth of the matter is, once we become more aware of where our money is going, then we can see, okay, how can I sort of shift this around? What do I want to make a priority? And then how can I do this for a long period? How can I set up a sustainable, repeatable money system that works for my family, right? This isn't some cookie cutter thing. This is like, every piece is going to be unique. Think about it like a puzzle piece, right? Every puzzle piece is going to be unique. And then we talk about okay, now we got to pour gas on the fire here. We got to accelerate, because we have the foundations in place. We can't jump to the penthouse suite until we build the first floor, the foundation. And then we can't do the next thing until we build the second thing, and then the second thing. And we all want it to take shorter than it does. And we all want it to just happen magically. But unfortunately, there are these pieces that we have to stack on top of each other. And think about it like, once you solve the first one, it's like that is layered in cement now, which is great. And then we move on to the next one. Then another little piece of cement gets added, and then the next, right? And you can see how this foundation works. Most people's foundations are in, sticks, mud, leaves, right? We want to build a foundation on cement. So if you are someone who's working hard to earn more, like absolutely keep going for that. I'm not saying don't increase your income ever. Like, of course it helps. But it only helps when you have the system in place, because as your income increases, what happens a lot is your expenses are just lagging behind it. And I see it all the time where it's like you get the raise or whatever, you start the side hustle, you're making a little extra money, but there's no clarity in your finances and everything just feels the same. So if that's you, I encourage you to check out the link below to have a quick chat with me. Starting your process to become a wealthy parent, become the wealthy parent that your kids deserve. And I hope to see you on the call. We'll have a little chat. And if not, maybe you could just check out this other YouTube video here.